everybody, my name is Irina and welcome to our class. Today we're going to be learning the American Sign Language. I'm going to teach you the basics so you will learn it in a minute. Let's get started. Number 1, when you say hello, you put your palm to your forehead and you put it front. Hi. 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 When you say yes, you take your wrist and you nod with your wrist, like you're nodding with your head. Yes. No. No. You can also show with your head that you are saying no. Take both index fingers and make a little circle. That means a sign language. You're circling towards yourself. Sign language. I. Me. I. So you take your index finger and you're pointing at yourself. I. Learn. Learn. Easy, right? You have a book. You take information from your book and you put it in your head. Learn. Now you can say, I learn sign language. Let's look one more time. I learn sign language. How do you say please? You take your palm, you put it on your chest and make a circle. Please. Please. Let's say you want to say sign slowly, please. I don't understand. Sign slowly. Slowly. Okay? Sign slowly, please. You see, now you can literally say something in a sign language. Sign slowly, please. When you want to say I understand, you take your wrist and you turn on the bulb. Boom, boom. I understand. You can also show with your head that you're saying yes. I understand. What if you don't understand? You say, I don't understand. Basically, you do the same thing. That's the bulb. But now you're showing with your face that you don't understand. I don't understand. Sign slowly, please. I am learning how to sign. I am learning ASL. So just learn 3 letters. I know there will be many letters, but now let's learn just ASL, American Sign Language. Take your palm and just put your fingers down, just like this, very straight, down, and press your thumb against it. So now you have like a letter A. A. Then take your thumb, put your fingers inside for the convenience, and make a fist. But put your thumb at 45-degree angle. S. A. S. A. S. Practice together. A. S. A. S. And then L. You probably know this one when you say loser. You're showing an L. A. S. L. One more time. A. S. L. Now let's say I am learning ASL. Point at yourself. I am learning. And then you have to finger spell it. A-S-L. One more time. I am learning ASL. Follow me on my YouTube channel, Insta Language Online. I love you guys. Bye. Bye.